My name is Barbara Derrick. Website versus lead page. Can you tell whether this is a typical Wix website, site from Site Builder, or WordPress, or is it something else? As I scroll down, and it is an artist website that I have designed with a list builder, key points, solutions, like your case study here, then the solutions to those problematic areas that all artists and creative people run into time and time. The bonus that I offer. So when you sign up, you will get 5 done-for-you artist web pages, somewhat like this. You'll be added to Native Studio Art's Facebook community. You will also receive live support in this form of a 10-day challenge and be entered in a draw for a free 60-minute coaching session with Barbara Derrick, myself. See, you need to get this free lifetime access before it expires. That lifetime access enables you to create 3 sites with unlimited pages. Also in the 10-day challenge I can include this. It's connected to MailChimp. Fill your email address in, that kind of thing. Mind you, I would take out the phone number, push subscribe, and what would happen is you would get a little bit more information. Notice I can't go anywhere else, which is the focus of a lead page, which is the difference between a web page. A web page, there are too many links. I'd be able to click here, click there, or maybe I'll click on this and next thing you know, I'm your buyer and I'm bye-bye, I'm gone. But can you imagine this being your portfolio-based site? All kinds of possibilities. I'll let you go while you're thinking about that. Don't forget to hit the link below and hit subscribe. Catch you later.